You may be curious if IPTV really works on your laptop or not today. In this video, we'll dive into how IPTV can be enjoyed on laptops effortlessly. Many people believe IPTV is just for TV, but that's not entirely true. IPTV is versatile and can be a fantastic option for laptop users everywhere. To access IPTV, you need reliable internet and an exceptional IPTV provider service. Enter 2TV.store, a top-tier IPTV provider perfect for your laptop streaming needs. Setting up IPTV on your laptop is straightforward with just a few simple steps. Once set up, enjoy thousands of channels and content without any complications. 2TV.store offers a range of packages suitable for any viewer's requirements. Compared to traditional TV services, IPTV provides flexibility and choice. Experience high-definition streaming and an interface tailored for laptop use. With 2TV.store, expect seamless performance and a broad selection of content. Enhance your viewing with stable connections and eliminate buffering issues. Whether you're in the US or UK, discover IPTV's compatibility with your locale. For a high-quality alternative to traditional viewing, explore IPTV on laptops now. Visit 2TV.store for the best IPTV experience and enjoy endless entertainment.